The first step was boil the water. When it's boiled, put the noodle inside the pan. When the noodles soften, pull it from the pan. Put it in the bowl. Put all the seasoning ingredient. And crack 2 eggs. Then mix it well. When it's all mixed, put the sausage inside. Mix it again. Prepare the food molds and apply just a bit oil. Then turn on the stove with a small heat. Put the noodles inside the molds one by one. And close it. Don't forget to turn it upside down. When it's already cooked, drain it. For the dip, I use mayonnaise. Finally, it can be served.